Good morning, students. Today we are going to start Vistas 4th chapter. We have already covered 3 chapters of Vistas, but 2nd and 3rd chapter, The Tiger King and Journey to the End of Earth, is deleted by CBSE now. So our 2nd chapter is now The Enemy, which is in text chapter 4. 2nd and 3rd chapter, The Tiger King and The Journey to the End of the Earth, is deleted by the CBSE. So the chapter 4, The Enemy, is written by Pearl S. Buck. The main characters, this chapter is very lengthy and it is very important to read the text. So the main characters in this chapter is Dr. Sadao Hoki, a Japanese doctor, Hana, his wife, the American prisoner of war, to whom in questions we write POW, P-O-W, prisoner of war, and his actual name in this chapter is Tom. So he is the American prisoner, general, the army general of Japanese army. So the story is set in Japan during the Second World War. And during the Second World War, an American soldier or prisoner of war is washed ashore near the Japanese doctor's house. So the theme of the chapter is the story deals with the concept of humanity and how compassion, kindness, love transcends change, boundaries of rationality. So it has changed the boundaries. Actually, the war is going between Japan and America and they hate each other. But Dr. Sadao's compassion and care change the rationality. So the main points of the chapter is Dr. Sadao finds an American prisoner of war washed ashore near his house. On humanitarian grounds, he decides to operate on the injured man. His wife, Sadao's wife, helps Dr. Sadao. The servants came to know about the American and leave the house. Sadao remains steadfast in his resolve to not to hand over the prisoner to the authorities till he is well enough. A messenger comes with a message from the general. Hana assumes that she guessed that servants have revealed their secret to the general and she faints. Sadao resolves to get rid of the prisoner. Sadao is called by the general to operate on him. Sadao tells him about the prisoner. The general assures him that he would get rid of the prisoner, but he forgets. Actually, he was self-involved. All the other doctors were sent to the war, but Sadao was not sent as he was one of the famous doctor of Japan, and general can need any time surgery. That's why Sadao was kept in the Japan. Sadao helps the prisoner to escape after he had regained his health and thus proves that humanity is above hatred and narrow distinctions of race, color, and nationality. And he proved to be a good doctor. He performed his duty well enough. As a doctor, his duty is to save the person's life, so he performed his duty very well. Other than these main characters, we have few minor characters also. As Sadao's father, he was much concerned about his son's education. is a true patriot. Gardener, an old gardener in the house of Dr. Sadao, who was there from Sadao's childhood and still serving Sadao. Yumi, Hana's maid servant, who uh, takes care of Sadao and Hana's children. The cook, an old cook in the house of Dr. Sadao, who was also serving in this house from Sadao's childhood. An officer, a messenger of the general. So these are the minor characters. In detail, we will discuss the summary now. Sadao was a Japanese surgeon. He was a surgeon as well as scientist. He studied in America and returned with Hana, a Japanese girl whom he met there, and married her in Japan and settled down comfortably. While most of the doctors were sent to serve the Japanese army in the World War II, Sadao was allowed to stay home because he was wanted by the old general who was dying. But one night, American Navy man shot, wounded and dying, though unwilling to help his enemy, as it was clear to him that war was going on and Americans were their enemy. So he was not interested to help this soldier, American Navy person, but he was in conflict what to do, whether he perform his duty as a citizen or perform his duty as a doctor, because doctor's duty is to save the life of the person. Sadao took the young soldier into his house and provided him with medical aid. He was in danger from that moment. Soon the servants left him, and Dr. Sadao saw that the soldier was getting well and absolutely all right. Once his patient was no more in the need of him, the doctor turned out to be his assassin. Assassin here, killer. When he was fit, so Dr. Sadao uh, performed his duty very well as a citizen. He informed General, when General called him for his treatment, that a soldier washed on the shore and came and have given treatment to him. General appreciated his attitude, as now he was having firm faith on him that he can, if, when Dr. Sadao can save an enemy. So Dr. Sadao was very important for General, as he was in the need of surgery, conspiring to kill him in his sleep. So Dr. Sadao and General made a plan that they will General will send the assassins, General will send the killers, and they will kill this enemy in the sleep. He informed the General of American, and General promised he would send the private men to kill the American. Sadao awaited American's death every morning, but his sadness, the man was still alive. He waited 2-3 nights that today uh, assassins will come and kill the soldier, but next day he went to the room, he was alive. Again he waited, healthier and posing danger to him. At this point, Sadao becomes the real man in him, a true human being who realizes the essential worth of man. So he realized that it is essential to save human being. Human being is more important than any enmity. Life and universal brotherhood is more important. He thinks beyond countries and continents and races and wars. He finds no reason to believe that the American is his enemy. Sadao rescues, saves the American. Thus, Sadao rises above narrow prejudice and acts in a truly patriot. Truly, he served his duty as a doctor. Now, the revision of the chapter in points. Sadao, a Japanese surgeon, finds the wounded American soldier on the beach near his house. He is unable to throw him back, though he was his enemy, as he was a doctor and his first duty was to save a life. Hana, his wife, though initially reluctant, she was not interested to help because it was dangerous for all, including the children, to keep the enemy in the house, but joins her husband in operating and nursing the enemy soldier back to health. When servants refuse to touch this enemy soldier, then Hana herself cleaned this person with the hot water. Hana assists help Dr. Sadao in operating the soldier in spite of her physical discomfort and hesitation. When you will read the chapter, you will see that Hana had not seen earlier any surgery, and she started vomiting, and still she controlled her condition and helped Dr. Sadao. Though it was wartime and all hands were needed at the front, the general did not send Sadao with the troops army groups, as he is an expert surgeon and general needed him. Sadao tells him about the enemy soldier, but he does not take any action as he is self-absorbed. General was self-absorbed due to his illness and forgets his promise. He promised that he will send the assassins, killers, but he forgot that because he was in unconscious stage, that he would send his private assistants to kill the enemy and remove his body. Taking advantage of the general's self-absorption, Sadao decides to save the soldier. After the soldier is out of danger, Dr. Sadao helps him to escape from his house. He arranged, bought food, and he guided that he should not take the help of a Japanese ship. He should take only help of Korean ships, and he guided him about the island, and he asked him not to light the fire there. He had to take only, or he had to uh, eat only the raw fish only. In this way, he guided uh, Japanese, American soldier Tom, whom we can sometimes call prisoner of war also. Thank you. Read the chapter, and in the next lecture we will discuss the important question of this chapter. Thank you very much.